Hello, I'd like to continue Revit tutorial. My name is Pablo. So yeah, I just wanted to start basic Revit, uh, this morning, um, and we'll see where it goes from here. So last time we talked, started drawing a house, very simple house. Today I'm just gonna look at the adding windows and doors, maybe a roof. We'll see how it goes. So we already drew in our walls and the floor. You can tell from the properties when you click on the element, it tells you. So, say, let's start adding doors and windows. So, obviously, a small house like this, probably just need one, maybe two doors. So, go to your architecture component, place an item, or in this case, since it's already a defined item, you could do door. Notice it says DR for door for shortcuts. Just type in DR and you will get the door from. Go to door, pick, a different one. We could select the one that's there. It's fine. You could always go back and edit. That's why the Revit is called Revit. It means basically they took revision or revise it and put it together. So let's make it easier. We got our door. Let's add some windows. Yeah, with different sizes. Let's go with like maybe 36 by 65. Not really looking at design right now. We're just looking to place windows. Let's say we could have one there, maybe a couple back here. Just line them up. Take quick tip, if you want to line stuff up, you could do the align command, select the center, and it will snap to that. You could lock it to constrain if you want. You lock that. So that's fine. For now, we have our doors and windows. Now, let's say we want a dimension and give it like actual placement. So we'll go under annotate and use the align dimension. Click the inside of the wall. You click the center of the window. Let's say center of the door, center of the other window, and then or the inside face of the wall. Now, the one you could it has a feature where you dimension you can say equal automatically it will equal everything out. Um, to save you some work, or you could manually type in the dimension. You could lock this one in. That way it's always centered. Lock that one in. Well, okay. Just throw it in 3D, see what it looks like. You can tell, we could go here at our cube and visualize it, add some color if you want. Looks a little drab. I'm gonna keep it in black and white. All right. So I think we have time, just enough time to add the roof. So the roof is pretty simple. You could do it from plan as well, or if you have a roof plan, you can start it from there. I'm just gonna keep it simple and do it from here. So we go back to architecture, click on our roof. We're gonna do by footprint, probably the easiest way. It's gonna ask you where do you want to place it, on level one, level two. For now we'll say level one, but then I'll give it an offset, right? So what I mean by that offset, you're basically saying that the roof is gonna be a certain dimension off the floor, like level one. So I go here, base offset, and let's go to 10 feet. And we could always change it. So as soon as you come here, you have different roofs that you can use. We're just gonna go with generic 9 inch. And as we drew the floors, we have the same options of doing rectangles and different shapes, picking lines. We could do that as well. I'll just show you a neat little trick here. We're gonna do offset so that we get the overhang of the roof. I'm gonna say, let's give it 18 inch overhang. So you'll notice when I pick the line, it automatically offsets, right? We get that one. All right. So before I check mark it, um, you notice that there's these triangles and it calls out the slopes. I'm in Florida, so I'm gonna go with 512. That's about right. But let's say we want to make it what kind of roof do we want here, right? Do we want to pitch a certain way? Just for sake of ease, we're gonna select the short walls and we're gonna remove define slope. That way there is no slope, but the ones that do have slope, you can select them both. Hopefully, I'll do one at a time and change it to 5. Just type in a 5. It goes to 512. This one goes to 512. And there we go. We have what we want. Check mark. For it in 3D to make sure it's right. Right. So it looks kind of weird. It's like the walls are popping through, but what we will do now, we're gonna make the walls connect to the roof. So we go in here and we're gonna actually select the wall and say attach top to base. And as you see, it's gonna connect our wall. And we pretty much do that for all of them. We're gonna say connect to the top. Go back around, select it, attach. You could always detach as well, but in this case, we want to attach it. So, fixing up our roof. There it is. Got your envelope. And next time we'll continue on this journey of drawing in Revit. Thank you so much.